Hey everybody, how's it going? In this video I'm going to talk about how to install Wine on Arch Linux. Note that this is a very minimalistic actually installation, so let's make it quick. So if you actually type sudo pacman-ss Wine, you don't see any Wine actually, and that's because the Wine repository, or more accurately multilib, is disabled. Multilib is a 32-bit compatibility libraries that you can find for 64-bit systems. So to enable that, just type sudo vim/etc pacman-conf and search for multilib. You don't need to enable multilib testing, but go to the multilib and actually uncomment the line that starts with the bracket and the include line. Save the changes, type sudo pacman-syu, and this updates the list of the packages that you have on your system, and here we see actually there is a multilib now. And afterwards, if you type sl multilib, you should get the list of all the packages on their multilib repository. And now to install Wine, just type sudo pacman-syu wine mono, wine gecko, and wine tricks if you want it, of course, and you should be able to get the base system for Wine up and running. After installing Wine, you can just type Wine and then pass your Windows program to run it. There is one more thing that we have to do, and that one is to activate the Wine sound card. So if you go to the Arch wiki under Wine article, you see depends on the sound sort of server or the system that you use, you need to install the appropriate library. So in my case is Pulse Audio, so I need to install lib32 libpulse. If you are using Pipewire, you just need to install the Pipewire version. So let's actually install it. Sudo pacman-syu lib32 libpulse, and then we should actually have Wine with sound card ready to use. That's all for this video. I see you in the next one. Have a great time. Cheers.